Hello. I was planning to talk about this theory mostly just because um it's a Star Trek and Star Wars theory. And I just wanted to get this on because this new theory just dropped, or whatever you could say, at least at the time of this recording. It's popular, but it's not popular. Basically, this theory is that in the Star Trek universe, uh, in the last generation of on Earth humans, we knew that like a generation prior that the sun was gonna blow up, and we knew like to uh the day or something like that, and it was like the last generation, so they're gonna be the most technologically advanced, I guess, of their time or whatever. And then billions of humans flee to other parts of the galaxy, mostly to the other end, most of them to the other end of the galaxy, and different planets and different places and different Milky Ways, stuff like that. Anyway, the sun blows up 8 minutes 20 seconds later after almost pretty much everyone's gone. And I say almost everyone because a lot of the um other people or whatever that's like, I'm gonna stay forever because nothing's gonna change me. This earth is gonna blow up with me. If it's gonna die with me or something. I don't know. Anyway, after that, like 1,000 generations or more, sometime after, it slowly starts to morph into the Star Wars universe. Like it slowly starts to turn into uh, humans making up their existence or something, or it becomes like where the humans started in the Star Wars universe. Like they go to a different, most of them start going to a different planet, which ends up being that one, and then from that's where humans start repopulating or something, and then because of it, uh there's just more humans across the galaxy, and a lot of stuff happens, and you know what, like Dark Vader or whatever, things like that, I guess. But yeah, I just wanted to cover this theory because I kind of, well, I didn't make up this theory, but I kind of tweaked it a little. But I like to call this theory the dead Earth theory. It's a I'm gonna call it a fan theory because that's what it is. I'm sort of a fan of Star Trek, and I'm sort of a fan of Star Wars. But I just decided to make this theory because why not? And I mean, hey, it does sound like something that a fan would probably say, Even if it's not like interconnected at all in any way, shape, or form. Even if it's not to think, it still feels like it's in the same universe, though. Just like many generations apart. Because, I mean, think about it. Like, Star Trek is pre-Earth blow up, and Star Wars is post-Earth blow up. Like, 1,000 generations after the post-Earth. That's basically what it is, and then it starts to become the Star Wars universe. Something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's basically how the theory goes, is we found out that the sun was going to blow up, and then when it did, billions of humans fled across different parts of the galaxy in all sorts of angles, just in the direction where it's not directly to the sun, mostly. That kind of thing. And so they're all across, even on the other end of the galaxy, and then most of them start repopulating on this one specific planet on the other end where it's where humans start or something like that. And then or like humans had their start in the Star Wars universe after like 1,000 generations or so, and then it eventually leads to the Force and whatever in those generations, I guess. Just something like that. Like, that's how I would have that theory. I don't know if somebody's going to change it. I don't know if this theory is going to get popular after this video. I don't know. I'm just a guy who normally talks about chess now because that's the content I've been doing as of the recording of this video, which is, around the same time, which is on the same day I posted it. So, anyway, yeah, the theory does probably have a lot of poked holes or a lot of, like, reasonable doubts. But hey, it's just a theory. A fan theory. You see how I did that there? Anyway, yeah, I'm going to let myself out now. Bye-bye.